dust in the wood shop would plug up the wall unit. So we kind of switched gears and we put a ducted unit in the attic of the workshop. So up in there we have an air handler up there, and we'll head up there later and look at it. And we built a filtration system, a kind of a custom filter bank to catch all the dust so it doesn't plug the unit up. So it's about 15 degrees out right now. You can hear the unit's running. It's running on high. We just turned the heat up to 68. And what's kind of neat too is here's the amount of ice that's been produced from the unit defrosting. So when people ask us why we put them on heat pump stands or why they have to be off the ground, this is literally all the moisture from defrosting that's come off the unit. So we'll go ahead and head on up and take a look at the attic. So we're up in the attic here, and this is the actual ducted unit, and it's sitting right over the return filter bank down below. So there's a refrigeration lines, drain line, and then here's the supply ducts coming off over here, and you can kind of see all the supply ducts running out. We have 4 supply ducts in the actual shop. Put a supply duct up here too, and a return to try to remove some humidity. You can see he's storing all of his wood for the guitars up here. So we're dehumidifying this up here and then keeping it warm in the winter time too. Alright, so let's go in the shop here. Hey David.
Hey.
We're just checking out your system here.
Sure.
So here's the supply registers. We have one in all 4 corners here, and then over there. And this is a return filter bank we put in. We normally don't put in these big of filters for a system like this. We have it turned up on high. But these filters catch all the dust, so the dust doesn't get into the equipment, and he can change these from down here. So as he's working, he can keep an eye on them, and when the filters start getting dirty, he can replace them. So David, how's that been working, the filter bank?
It's been working great.
Okay. Is the air pretty clean in here?
Very clean.
Okay.
Huge difference.
Okay. What's nice with the Fujitsu is the fan always runs, so whenever he's heating and cooling, the fan is running, so after he leaves the shop, it's still filtering the air at night. So it really worked out well. I'm glad we didn't do the wall unit like we initially thought we were gonna.
Yep.
How's it heated over the winter time?
It's been great.
Okay.
I haven't even had a problem at all. It's been really warm and toasty.
Okay, even in the cold weather?
Absolutely.
Okay.
In the Minnesota winters.
All right. So hear that, folks? Heat pumps do work in the winter time.
Yes, they do.
They do. So, well, good. All right.